Here I have OPPO A94 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the advanced settings, and here you have flip selfie. So let's take one picture with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled, to show you an example. So as you can see, these both photos are mirrored. Unbelievable, yeah? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.